Today we're going to talk about how to make money with your music on UnitedMasters. It really functions the same as any other distributor. What I love about UnitedMasters is everything is streamlined and easily accessible. So make sure you are uploading your music, of course. First thing, UnitedMasters will send your music out to a ton of digital stores, and where you get paid is off of the streams of those songs. So the more stores you're in, the higher the likelihood of you getting more streams. Please do not come in expecting to make millions or even thousands off of your first upload. Unless you had some huge marketing team and a huge social media presence before releasing, it is highly unlikely. If you do put in the work and grow your fan base, this can, however, be a constant stream of income. Beat exchange is for the producer or beat maker. Here you have a marketplace where you can sell your beats to other artists and still make money off of the royalties. If you are an artist yourself, you now have access to an entire marketplace of beats, and this could save you a hell of a lot of time, and of course, time is money. UnitedMasters offers you another option which allows for sync licensing through its many partners, for example, the NBA. These partners could opt to sync your music with their ads and or other video media. The exposure and sync royalties offer huge earning and exposure potential. Where things start to get more UnitedMasters centric is when we get to the artist page. The artist page allows you to create a custom artist page with all kinds of links to your work, snippets of your YouTube vids, tour dates, but most importantly, merchandise can be sold on your artist page, which can function as another stream of income. Those are all the ways I can think of to make money via UnitedMasters. If you guys know of a few more, let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have an amazing evening.